Here we come to the showroom elevator at IKEA in Frisco, Texas. It's an MEI elevator. The other one here is broken. Here's the escalator. So, here is the escalator from up here. Let's get a cab view. This is a really nice elevator. This is similar to the one in Westchester, Ohio that Lifestyles and Dads found recently. This is also similar to the one in Orlando near Mom and Lenny. Here it is once again. Here's the information. There's an indicator. Capacity is 10,000 pounds. Here's the firefighter operations things. Here's the buttons. Emergency phone down there too. That's it.